and a tale I'll tell to you. It's all about your daddy. He's a man you seldom see, for he has to roam far away from home, far away from you and me. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away in the cold and heat, all the hours of the week on England's motorway. Now when you fall and hurt yourself and get a feeling bad, it isn't any good to go running for your dad, for the only time since you were born he's had to spend with you. He was out of a job and he hadn't a bob, he was signing on the brew. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away in the cold and heat, all the hours of the week on England's motorway. Now sure we'd like your daddy here, yes sure it would be fine to have him working nearer home and to see him all the time. But beggars can't be choosers, and we have to bear our load, for we need the money your daddy earns while I'm working on the road. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, though he's working far away in the cold and heat, all the hours of the week on England's motorway. Remember, laddie, he's still your dad, and he'll soon be home to stay.